Hello, today we are going to talk about Folifort hair growth, stop hair loss and graying. We at Female Universe have already prepared a complete review with everything you need to know before you purchase your Folifort hair growth, stop hair loss and graying. Also, I have very important warnings to pass along to you throughout this video to help you not make any mistakes about Folifort hair growth, stop hair loss and graying. The first thing first is the website that you will buy your Folifort hair growth, stop hair loss and graying, because it is only sold on the official website. To help you out and get you started, the official product link is in the description of this video. So, let's get started. What is Folifort hair growth? It is a hair support developed by Alma F to help with excessive hair loss. It took 7 years of research to scientifically craft a natural formula containing 12 concentrated ingredients plus 5 nutrients that support healthy hair growth, where it promotes natural follicle regeneration. What are these ingredients? FOTI is a Chinese plant with miraculous properties when it comes to hair rejuvenation. Its root is very important in traditional Chinese medicine, revitalizing the follicles at the root of your hair. Biotin, known as vitamin B7, one of your hair's best friends, it stimulates keratin production, increases growth, and makes your hair resistant to hair loss. Zinc is a vital mineral needed for over 300 enzymes. By increasing your zinc, it maintains the sebaceous glands that nourish and protect your hair from environmental damage. Vitamin B5, known as pantothenic acid, it helps rebuild hair strands, protects follicles from damage caused by blow-drying and harsh formulas. Horsetail is the extract of horsetail, improves blood circulation, has antioxidant properties such as detoxifying hair and for the body. Saw palmetto is a palm tree that helps combat hair deterioration. Peony, white peony root is a supplement that supports hair growth. It serves as a shield for the scalp, protects from irritation and flaking. So yes, you can trust this product. Does Folifort hair growth really work? Yes, Folifort hair growth really works. Many people have had amazing results with Folifort hair growth. Even on the official website you can find several testimonials from customers who use Folifort hair growth, and you can also have the same results. However, you need to keep in mind that your body is unique and this supplement does not replace a medical consultation, but we encourage you to talk to your doctor about these changes in your lifestyle. Folifort hair growth has proven effective for most people, but if your experience with Folifort hair growth is not what you wanted or don't like for any reason, you have a money-back guarantee after 3 months of use. But make sure you are on the official site to ensure the benefits of the guarantee. Important to note that for Folifort hair growth to work you need to follow the treatment correctly. Is recommended to take 2 capsules a day after the evening meal with glass of water, or else you will not see the desired results and will be a little frustrated with the treatment. Folifort hair growth has proven to be effective for women and men of all groups and shows results within a few weeks. The best results will appear after 3 to 6 months of treatment, which is recommended. Important to know that Folifort hair growth has no side effects as the ingredients are natural and powerful. Remembering important points is the care with the site that will buy your Folifort hair growth. If you do the treatment correctly is necessary to take seriously. I hope this video has helped you to clarify your doubts about Folifort hair growth and that this supplement will improve your life, your self-esteem and much more. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.